So in a bull market, I think what you don't want to be doing is looking at the 52-week low list or trying to find difficult, complicated situations that you think you have an edge versus everyone else who's already dumped the stock. It's not that that can't work. It's that it's a low probability game and only the best, sharpest people can really play it. For most people, a much better route to go would be to focus on the best stocks in the market, because in bull markets, trends continue to trend for a very long time, and they tell you definitively when the trend is at an end and when you want to get out. So let's take a look at some of those best stocks. Those are the ones that I would consider to be the best setups amongst large cap companies that are currently profitable. Let's take a look at Dow Chemical. DOW just broke resistance around 56. Next resistance is 60. I don't think it'll have a problem there. This is the first higher high for Dow since last summer. So it's really spent 9 months consolidating, and now I think it's out of that consolidation period. RSI is only 63, therefore it's not terribly overbought. You're not late to the trade. I like the setup right here. I like a few names in that group. I also want to throw in 3M. This is an industrial. It's had a miserable few years. Lawsuits, settlements, more lawsuits, et cetera, et cetera. This is a defined breaking of the downtrend, as you can see right before your very eyes. Now you have a stock that's 50% off all-time highs, but within 2% of a new 52-week high. It has not traded around the $112 level since January of last year. So it's about 15 months fighting through this level of resistance, and now she looks like she wants to go. This is a name that should be on your list. This one is a little bit higher of an RSI, but I would ignore that. Stocks can be overbought and still work. How many more do we want to do? I got a few more.
Let's jump in for a second. Kevin, I'm going to come over to you. You've owned Dow. I know it's a dividend-producing stock, dividend almost at 5%. What do you make of Josh's thesis here in trade school?
Well, we've owned both Dow and 3M in the past, and for obvious reasons that Josh has mentioned, we've been out of them for some time. I do like the Dow a little bit more for the past 6 months, 5% dividend. Doesn't have the dividend growth, but definitely these are stocks that are breaking out. I think both of these should be on a watch list.
How do I get you back in, Kevin?
They're on our watch list.
Can I throw in a set of steak knives?
How about a stock split?
How about Marriott? How about Royal Caribbean? Can we put these up? New 52-week highs for both right now. Royal Caribbean is actually hitting a new all-time high, and that is the first time since pre-COVID that you've been able to say that. So this is not just a 52-week high. It's a monster performer off the 2022 lows from July 2022 until today. Basically, we've seen 2 years of higher lows and then higher highs and then higher lows again. That stair-step pattern is exactly what you're looking for an intermediate to long-term hold. If you're looking at the technicals, the stock is just a beast. It's behind really only SMCI and NVIDIA. When you look at what this thing has been able to do. Marriott's another all-time high. Same theme. The travel boom is not a fad. It's now an ingrained part of our culture. So long as people have money, they're going to want to have experiences with it. They did the new flat screen TV 3 years ago. They don't need another one. They're traveling instead. We continually hear from airline CEOs. They are notching the best weeks of ticket sales, one after another after another. MAR is where they land and drive to. It's really that simple. It's not very complex. Stock looks amazing. Last one, financials. New 52-week high right now. Citigroup, Bank of America, Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan. Not only are these stocks making 52-week highs, technically, they really look flawless. There are no sellers. There's no resistance right now. And I think these can continue to rock out. And I want to be in these names as long as I can.